Hello, my name is Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Today we'll be discussing on how to repair a garbage disposal. One of the most common problems with a garbage disposal is stuff falling down into it, you not realizing it, and turning it on. This jams the blades from turning around and chopping up your food and properly disposing of them. I'm going to show you how to fix that problem. The tools you're going to need for this job are a wooden stick. This is actually an old broom handle that I cut off. That way I can place it into the garbage disposal. You can use a plunger handle or a dowel rod. You're going to want to go ahead and cut your power to the garbage disposal, either underneath the sink if there's a switch or an outlet, or at your main breaker. Now we're simply going to take the piece of wood and place it into the sink. And you can hear and feel the blades being knocked around. Slowly move it around until it comes to a stop. Now, with one quick motion, go ahead and give it a good turn. As you can see, it is now broken loose. Take your hand, knowing that the power is off to it, and get the piece that was causing the garbage disposal to stop. Now that we have the piece out, go ahead and open the door to underneath the sink. Here's our garbage disposal. If you look on the sides or possibly underneath, there's a reset button. Go ahead and push it. It should stay on. Go ahead and turn back on your power, turn the water on, and turn on the garbage disposal. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and that's how you repair a garbage disposal.